Hi, in this video, let me show you how to fix in case you get no sound coming out of your MacBook Air M5. I'll show you 5 different tricks. So let's get started. The first and easiest thing to do before attempting anything complicated is to simply go on the Apple logo on the top left corner, and select Restart. Then confirm by restarting your computer. This fixes at least 90% of the software issues that you will encounter with your MacBook. So after doing a restart, try again and see if the sound is finally coming out. There's a good chance it will. If not, let's go to trick number 2. So for this second trick, go on the Apple logo, select System Settings, and from here on the left side, we need to select Sound. So here you go. This is where sound is. You're going to click on it. And then right over here, you should see Sound Output. Okay, click on Output. And the option that is highlighted is where the sound will go. So right now, MacBook Air speaker is the one selected. And in case you had something else selected, simply select MacBook Air speakers and the sound should come out of here. Now, if you have a USB soundbar or USB speakers or anything else, and you want the sound to go through those devices, in that case, well, select the device that is connected. So maybe in your case, the wrong one was selected and this is why you didn't got any sound. Well, now you know how to make sure that the sound goes in the specific speaker that you have selected. And over here, you can also change the output volume. If after doing this, you're still having issues, let me show you another tip. So for this, we'll need to open Activity Monitor. Go on the top right corner, click on the magnifying glass, and you're going to type on the keyboard Activity, here go, Activity Monitor. Select it, click on it, double click. This will open. Now we need to find Core Audio, and to do so, you have a small magnifying glass on the top right corner. Click on it and simply type Core, C-O-R-E, Audio. Double click on it. This window will open and then select Quit. Select Quit. Use your password just to confirm, or Touch ID if you have registered Touch ID. Okay, and after doing this, you need to restart the computer. So go on the Apple logo, select Restart, and fortunately, when it comes back online, your computer, you won't have any audio issues and you'll be able to hear everything coming out of the speakers. If nothing worked, let's go to the next tip. For the next one, what you need to do is to check if there's an update pending. Sometimes it's a software problem that Apple fixed and you simply need to install an update. So click on the top left corner on the Apple logo, select System Settings, select General, and over here, Software Update. Wait a few seconds, and if there is an update pending, here we go, select Update Now and do it right away. Finally, another thing that you can try if nothing worked is to play your audio through your Mac, let's say a movie or music, and connect a headphone, a wired headphone in the headphone jack on the top right side, right over here. If you hear some audio coming out, but every time you pull it from the plug over here, you pull your headphones, there's no audio coming out of the speakers, there's a good chance that there's a hardware problem and you'll have to send your Mac back to Apple, or maybe if you have a repair service center close to you, you can go there. Obviously, if you're watching this video and you're still under warranty, you have absolutely nothing to lose. So I suggest you contact Apple and check to see how they can fix this problem. There's a good chance they will give you another refurbished MacBook Air M5 in case they cannot repair it. Anyway, check this because usually it's not a software problem, it's a hardware issue. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if one of these tips work. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.